Welcome to the start of the Literary Theory unit, where we'll dive into some theory that will be applied to books we'll read later this semester. First off, let's start off with square one. What is literary theory? So when it comes to literary theory, it's similar to and another form of literary analysis. It's something that is complex and used to affirm or disapprove. It signals speculation, but it's not necessarily a guess. So by saying my guess is that suggests that there is a right answer, or saying my theory is that also claims an explanation that isn't obvious. Theory is more than a hypothesis. It can't be obvious, it involves complex relations, and it's not easily confirmed or disproved. Literary theory or criticism is a specific viewpoint a critic or reader has staked out from which they interpret, analyze, or even evaluate works of literature or even the world around them. When we interpret, we think about what are the various ways we can look at a text. When we analyze, we pull things apart, examine relationships, mulling cause and effect in a narrative or text. And when we evaluate, we explain reasoning and evidence. We read and listen to others' explanations for understanding or disagreement. So I want you to think of literary theory or criticism as a lens. When we think of it as a lens, we find lenses in eyeglasses, microscope, cameras, all with different abilities. They can help us focus, sharpen, deepen, magnify, shrink, or even distort and shatter what we see. But they all help influence and facilitate our perception and comprehension of something. And that's the key here with literary theory or criticism. We're going to use it like a pair of glasses or a camera to help us look at things differently in the world and what we're going to read in this unit. In this unit, the primary reader will be the Oxford's Literary Theory, a very short introduction by Jonathan Kohler. Here's some of the lenses that we're going to learn about in this unit: the reader response lens, feminist gender and sexuality, Marxist social class, psychological, critical race, historical, post-colonial, and formalist lens. There's dozens, if not hundreds, of authors, philosophers, and writers who have various ways that they look and analyze literature and the world. And it's not just limited to these 8 lenses that we're going to learn about in this unit. On Nearpod, write a response to the following prompt. Based on what you learned about literary theory as a lens that can facilitate our perception and understanding of something, make some predictions about the lenses we'll learn about in this unit. What do you think you will be learning about? And this can be a brief response. I hope that was a good overview or maybe even refresher about what literary theory or criticism is and can be and how we're going to use it during this unit. After you write a brief response on Nearpod, make sure to go over to the Google Classroom discussion thread or the question and submit a response based off of what you learned from this video. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.